urgent imperative for homegrown technological innovation was the focal point and theme of the installation of Engineer John Audu, FNSC, as the 7th chairman of the Victoria Island branch of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, which held on Saturday the 1st of February at the Oriental Hotel, Victoria Island, Lagos. The event will be remembered for its many glamorous activities. In attendance is the President of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, Engineer Babagana Mohammed, FNSC, Engineer Wale Abu, the Chief Executive of Pan-African Towers Limited, Engineer Fumilola Ojalade, FNSC, President of the Association of Professional Women Engineers of Nigeria, and Opukome Elen Ibru, among many others. The President of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, Engineer Babagana Mohammed, FNSC, who was himself a former chairman of same branch, in his address emphasized on the need to support innovation in the country.
If I give you 2 million, 3, 4, 5 million, I can leave Lagos and follow you to whatever money you have. At least I knew I have still followed something. I give you 200,000, I give you 200,000. And I enter place from here to Jalibu. I came back some 8,000. No, what am I for you? That is how you are going. The new NSE is going to be NSE. Knowledge driven. I will support people deliberately.
The outgoing chairman, Engineer Rose Madaki, FNSC, before the transfer of the mantle of leadership to the new chairman, was full of appreciation to members of her cabinet who gave every support to her and further promised the entire House she will always give support to the new chairman and executives.
As a matter of emphasis, I want to reassure you that I have been a member of Victoria Island branch and I'll always be. Like our present president, he has been one of the most active members. Even when he was a vice president deputy, even as a president, if he's going to miss a meeting, he's going to send a text. I want to try and do the same. So please be comfortable. So I wish you God's protection and guidance in the name of God.
The new chairman, in his inaugural speech, buttressed on their intention to relentlessly advocate for relevant agencies to pay attention to issues that will be raised by the branch.
How well have we fared so far in the course of problem solutions? Well, I guess the jury is still out there. We've done quite a lot, but there's a whole lot more that still needs to be done. However, the Nigerian Society of Engineers Victoria Island branch, we aim to change the narrative through a deliberate focus on the issues, and not only offering well-thought-out solutions, but through relentless advocacy campaigns that will ensure that the relevant agencies pay attention to resolving the concerns.
It was indeed a time of celebration of excellence and professional diligence, as it is obvious the Victoria Island branch of the Nigerian Society of Engineers is set to experience a new wave of achievement under the watch of the new chairman, Engineer John Audu, FNSC.